everybody, we're here at Dallas Vintage Toys with owner Sean, who's got a big box and a blade. Sean, what are you doing here?
We got another shipment in from AFA, some Star Wars loose figures, so we're going to see what's in the box.
Okay.
Alright, so we got a AFA 90 and Man-O-Man. And looks like we have 3 Gamorrean cards. Looks like these are 85s Hong Kong. They're 85. Here's a Luke Jedi Knight. It's a Nikto. It's a IG-88. It's a Anakin Skywalker. Here's a Tebow. There's a Admiral Akbar. There's another Anakin. Here's a Darth Vader. There's a C-3PO. There's another Tebow. Stormtrooper. There's a Reese. So we got some other variants of Reese. Here's 2 more. There's a Nikto. Another Stormtrooper. And we have 2 Darth Vaders.
Okay.
So we should begin these up on the website tomorrow, so we'll photograph these. And you can check them out at DallasFinishedToys.com. We're open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 5. Our address is 120524 Skate Drive, Dallas, Texas, 75243. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We'll always put our newest content there first.
So, Graded Star Wars just came in, and hot stuff always on the way here at Dallas Vintage Toys, your source for collectible pop culture goodness. See you soon.